Hello, peeps, and welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. Today's podcast is going to be on lesson 2.6, divide real numbers. But before we do today's notes, please make a note yourself that your homework assignment tonight will be workbook page 16, but this time I want you to do problems 19 through 22. Please make yourself a note. Tonight's homework is workbook page 16. Please do problems 19 through 24. Simplifying expressions again, but I want you to finish up problems 19 through 22. Just a friendly reminder, please complete your homework in your notes / homework spiral and show your work. Hey, come on, quit monkeying around. We got notes to do. Please write in your homework / notes spiral that this is lesson 2.6, divide real numbers. Please write the vocabulary word reciprocal in your spiral. Reciprocal. Reciprocal is when you flip a fraction, integer, or whole number. Please write reciprocal is when you flip a fraction, integer, or whole number. And we have a couple examples for you to write down. Please write down in your spiral the reciprocal of a fraction. Please write down in your spiral the reciprocal of a fraction. So for example, if you have the fraction 1/5 and you're asked to find the reciprocal, that's easy. The 1 is going to go to the bottom, and 5 is going to go to the top. So they're kind of like bunk beds. The 1 was sleeping on top and now it goes to the bottom. The 5 was sleeping on the bottom, it goes to the top. So we are going to write that the 5 goes to the top and the 1 goes to the bottom. This is the reciprocal of 1/5. Flip the numbers. Next example I'd like you to write down. Please write down the reciprocal of a negative fraction. Please write down the reciprocal of a negative fraction. Let's say you have the fraction of -3/7. Well, we said that reciprocal is when you flip the numbers. So 3 is going to go to the bottom. 3 goes to the bottom. 7 goes to the top. But yes, those of you that are thinking, the dog in this case is my negative sign, and my negative sign follows me. So the reciprocal of a -3/7 is a -7/3. Just bring over the negative sign. Please write down your spiral the reciprocal of a whole number. The reciprocal of a whole number. Let's say you're asked to find the reciprocal of 13. Well, the first thing you're going to do is make the 13 a fraction, or make the whole number a fraction. So we're going to make this a fraction by giving it a fraction bar and a denominator of 1. Now that I made it a fraction, easy pleasy. 13 is going to go to the bottom. 1 is going to go to the top. 13 goes to the bottom. 1 goes to the top. So the reciprocal of 13 would be 1/13. Make it a fraction and then have the numbers switch places in the bunk beds. Alrighty guys, last example. If you would, please write down the expression 36x minus 24 fraction bar 6. Please write that expression down in your spiral. All right, we're going to talk about simplifying an expression today, or more specifically simplifying an expression that is a fraction. So here we go. We have some best friends even when things get messy. So we have 36x and we have minus 24. They're best friends. But there's a problem. The problem is this. They both want their own cake. Yeah, cute cake, huh? They both want their own cake. So we don't want them to lose their friendship over this cake, or really this denominator. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to simplify the expression by rewriting it as two fractions. So please make yourself a note. We're going to simplify the expression by rewriting it as two fractions. This is what I mean. We are going to write 36x fraction bar 6. So basically I wrote 36x fraction bar 6. That's what I have right here. Now I'm going to write minus or negative 24 fraction bar 6. So all I did was rewrite the expression as two fractions. So here I had one big fraction. I just split it up into two smaller fractions. Now they're happy because they both have their own piece of cake. They're both happy because they have their own piece of cake. Now what am I going to do? I am going to simplify it. I'm going to cover up the second fraction, act like it's not there. So really, what I have going on here is I have 36 divided by 6. In math, that means 36 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 is going to give me 6. And for those of you who are thinking, that's right. Your dog, ruff, ruff, follows you wherever you go. Now, I'm going to cover up this side, and I'm just going to look right here. This means 24 divided by 6. This means 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 is going to give me 4. Those of you that you're thinking, very good, you are going to bring down the subtraction sign or the negative sign. So let's see what I have left. I have left 6x and I have left 4. So I'm going to write 6x and I'm going to write down 4. Now, just like we did the other day, I can't go any farther. This is a heart. This is a star. I cannot combine them. They are not like terms. So I've simplified the expression. There's my answer, 6x minus 4. See ya.